on start button, then here write Python. You will see Python if you have installed already in your computer. So click on Python. This screen you will find it here, Python 3.5. And so now here I will write the small program. So I write here, suppose because this is the first screen of the Python you will see. You can use also from the command from the disk operating system, from the command line. So I will also tell you how to write Python from DOS. So now I write print here in inverted commas. I told you inverted commas we use. Whatever you will write between inverted commas, it will come the same. Hello people. So now you can see there is a result. Hello people. This is if you install the Python in your computer. Also I will tell you now how to use Python from DOS, disk operating system. Again you will click here, command, write command prompt, and here if you install the path, if you have the path of the Python, so just you will write here Python and it will run. So I write Python. So once I enter, you can see the Python will start from here, from command prompt also. So over here you can see 3.4, 3.5 and everything you see. So here also I write print hello people. In inverted commas I will write again, I write hello, so you can see the result hello here. So these are two ways to run Python. In my last class I told you why we use Python, because this is very easy and simple to use, and you can use in gamings and different places. Okay, I open Notepad now. You can see now I write, first I can write the text. I can write the commands here, print help. Now print again in inverted commas I will write welcome to MLS Academy. Now I save this. Once I am going to save, first you have to choose the location where you want to save it, on desktop or my computer. First I saved this name. Okay, first.py. This is for the Python extension. Now here again we are on command prompt. We make exit. We will come again outside the Python. Now you can see this is we are CD right now. CD, change directory, desktop. We are on the desktop now. You can see your file, what you save it from here. We write Python first.py. So we can open the same file. Welcome to MLS Academy. And that file we save it there, and it's coming from the command prompt. CD stands for idle. Okay, again you can see this. This is another way to open it. Everything are the same. Now print inverted commas hello. You can see the result name hello. Now I will save. Okay, I open new file. Print inverted commas good morning. I save this one also. So you can see select the location where you want to save second.py. py again, this is for the Python language. So now you can run this from here, module. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe my channel, please. Goodbye.